We all agree we need to unite to bring the Ummah back to its glory and might. But how, when you label your Islam, when you hyphenate your Iman, you got to stop with that. You can't be progressive Muslims or liberal Muslims or Shia Muslims or Qadiani Muslims or Ismaili Muslims and that Muslims and this Muslims. You just got to be Muslims. That's it. Simply Muslim. You can't follow a Wahhabi Islam or a Sufi Islam or a Nation of Islam or a cultural Islam or no Arab Islam and no American Islam. It just should just be Al-Islam. Islam of Al-Quran and Al-Mustafa alayhi salatu salam. It's the hate that divides us, but it's the love that can unite us. Love of Allah, love of Rasulullah, love of Baytullah, love of Kitabullah. How can we divide when our enemies unite? It's the backbiting and jealousy. We have to stop. Love the Prophet alayhi salatu salam. Love the Sahaba radiallahu anhum. Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, Ali, Hassan, Hussein, and the entire Prophet's family. We love them. We love Aisha and Khadija and all the mothers of the believers and every Sahabi that was loved by the Nabi. We love and respect our scholars, from the father of fiqh Abu Hanifa to Imam Malik, the Imam of Darul Hijrah, to a Shafi'i, Imam al-Hujjah, to Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, the Imam of the Ahl Sunnah. If you want to see Palestine be free, if you want to see there to be peace from the river to the sea, if you want to see there to be a brighter future for those children, then be like one body. Feel the pain of our brothers and sisters that are in Gaza slain. We have to unite, you and me, so Palestine can be free.